Have you ever pondered what ISO certification is and why it's necessary? Today, we're going to delve into that very topic. So buckle up and get ready for a journey into the world of international standards. ISO certification is a seal of approval from a third-party body that a company runs to one of the international standards developed and published by the International Organization for Standardization, ISO. It's like a badge of honor, a testament to a company's commitment to quality, safety, and efficiency. But why is it necessary? Well, in today's global market, competition is fierce. Companies need to stand out, they need to prove they are trustworthy and reliable. Achieving ISO certification is one way to do this. It's a symbol to customers, competitors, and suppliers that a company is dedicated to upholding international standards. Think about it this way. If you were choosing between two products, one from a company with ISO certification and one without, which would you go for? Most likely, you'd choose the one from the ISO certified company. Why? Because it provides assurance that the company has met specific criteria for their products or services. It shows they have a commitment to quality and a willingness to work for continuous improvement. There are various types of ISO certifications, each focusing on different areas such as quality management, environmental management, safety, and more. For example, ISO 9001 is all about quality management. It's one of the most popular certifications and ensures that organizations have a quality management system in place, and they are committed to continuous improvement. On the other hand, ISO 14001 focuses on environmental management. It helps organizations minimize their environmental impact and continually improve their environmental performance. Then there's ISO 45001, which is all about occupational health and safety. It helps organizations provide a safe and healthy workplace for their employees and visitors. So, to summarize, ISO certification is a seal of approval that a company adheres to one of the international standards developed by ISO. It's an essential tool for standing out in a crowded market, proving a company's trustworthiness and reliability. It's a symbol to customers, competitors, and suppliers that a company is committed to upholding international standards in areas such as quality management, environmental management, and safety. Remember, when choosing between companies or products, an ISO certification can be a deciding factor. It provides assurance, showing a company's commitment to quality and continuous improvement. It's not just a certification, it's a commitment to being the best. So the next time you see that ISO certification, you'll know exactly what it means and the importance it holds.